Hi, it's Karana from Engagement Hub. Just showcasing a little bit of the way that some of our clients design their homepage, because there's such a variety and there's so many different design tools and themes and ways that you can structure your homepage. So it's really important to just have a look and have a think about how you want to do that. Here, for example, with the Shire Mundaring, you can see that they've used this as just a featured project. You can see that by the colour. You can change the colour of the overlay, and you can also change the wording of that. City of Cumberland is one of the largest local governments in Australia, so they use this category search and location search on their homepage, and then they structure theirs around which projects are open, which are sort of stay informed projects, and which are closed projects. And you can actually change the wording of these, so you can actually tailor that to be exactly how you want, and you can also load more, so it loads up further projects. Queensland Government, the Department of Communities, has a similar sort of structure on their homepage, but using a lot of the right images and branding to really bring that to life, and also this real featured project that they're wanting you to have your say on. Mirvac on the Toombul Renewal Project have used a background colour on their homepage, which then highlights and brings up the projects that they're wanting you to currently consult on, and this is their above footer content, the acknowledgement of country. But I think it's just a really interesting case study of how you can use a background colour to change the look and feel and brand your homepage. Ausgrid, the electricity provider in New South Wales, very strongly branded homepage. You can see by just some of the colour choices that they've made within their projects. Sparking Conversations in Tasmania. You can see again the strong branding that comes across with the colour use within the buttons and the headers, and then their 4 projects, and then the use of the different participating councils and government bodies in the above footer content is a really nice way of using that across their site. Drought Ready Tasmania, staying in Tasmania, you can see how they've used the video banner, which is really across their site, for the site banner. And they've actually used the Adara theme. There's 4 different homepage themes, which brings their main project up as a full width with a large image here. And then there are other projects listed below. So that's a really different way of designing your homepage, and it depends probably how many projects you have on, if there's one really major feature project that you want to promote. The National Heavy Vehicle Network is another federal consultation, and they use their homepage quite heavily to put across quite a lot of the information about the project, inserting images and that sort of thing. So it really is very flexible, that it does allow you to do that. Then bringing up, they completely rename and use the different categories of project, as in open and closed, etc., to create their own categories. So you can see how that works here. They've got certain projects for their programs of work, which they use there, and you can see how again they've used a different homepage theme, which really changes the look and feel and brings about a more modern look there. So as you can see, there are so many different ways in which you can use your homepage and design your homepage based on your branding, the amount of information that you want to portray. So chat to us as a team about how we can help support you, because getting the design of your homepage right is really important, not only in terms of asserting your brand, but also in terms of making sure that you are highlighting the projects that you really want people to see and engage on.